So I have come back with the motor's facelift extensions, and we have roughly, it's a little bit under double the total length. But with that we're going to be able to get the motor much deeper, and hopefully that will reduce the surface splashing of the water. So I think I have it set up pretty well now. It almost is touching the bottom, but it's not, it shouldn't, oh, at least I don't think it's quite touching. At least if I like move it around. It doesn't feel like it's dragging, and I'm not seeing the bottom sand being disturbed. I think the face leads might like just about touch the bottom there, but I think that's fine. I might bring it up, might bring my scale up like just a little bit more. Looking at the viewfinder at the back of the camera at the moment, I'm trying to find the correct spot where you can try to actually see the display of both the scale and the remote, so they will be a little bit easier to read. It's a good idea to keep warm by drinking some warm coffee. Oh, I just hope it's not so warm that I actually burn my mouth. Damn, that's hot. Damn. That shit hot. Yeah, it's a little bit colder today than the last time I was here. I think we are just a little bit below freezing at the moment. Yeah, I'm gonna drink this coffee, get warm up a little bit. Actually, I wonder a little bit, do I have a problem here? Because I did notice something, that when I do accelerate it, it is pulling itself, like it's sort of starting to rise up. And I actually am wondering, are the sidelines actually starting to hold it up? Because I'm seeing like weirdly low numbers for the pull. Based on how much power we are pulling. Or maybe it's starting to cavitate. Let me stick this camera on selfie stick, and I'm gonna push it down there. Let's see what it looks like under the water. Have a nice swim. I have no idea if the audio is good, because all the microphones might be plugged up with water at the moment. So if that is the case, I'm gonna pause, edit the audio in. But what I think at the moment is the problem is that my twisting supports, the lines coming from the sides, they are coming from too high of an angle, and it's actually rather than stopping the twisting, it's also supporting it, in the pull direction, and that is causing the amount of pull measured by the scale to be decreased. So it is actually pulling harder than what we saw, but we but some of that force is being supported by the sidelines. So I'm gonna have to get either a really long lines, because you want to be them as sideways as coming from the sideways direction as possible, rather than upwards, so that any kind of force that they are applying to the motor is from the side and not in the pulling direction. But yeah, another interesting day spent here. I am curious though, what does the motor down there look like? So I'm gonna stick you back for a short moment on the selfie stick. I'm gonna put you down there. I'm gonna just to satiate my own curiosity more than anything else.